YouTube, what's up? It's your boy Crypto J coming at you guys with yet another J Talks Crypto. If you're brand new to my channel, hit the subscribe button as well as bell notification. I do my best each and every day to give you guys the topics in cryptocurrency. Guys, nothing has changed. Nothing has changed. Today we're going to talk about some XRP. We're going to talk about some Bitcoin because the market looking volatile, can really go either way. We're sitting around this 84K and this is some key support, guys. Let's talk about it. But before we do, gotta let you know too, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. You got to speak to a professional, guys. I'm just a homie, So let's talk about it, right? Market cap coming in at 2.75. Fear Greed Index coming in at a 27. Bitcoin coming in at a 84, right? Looking very, very volatile. Can we push up out this range? Is it going to be a zone of support or are we going to break down? We are really at a key mode or a key zone right now. And we are seeing, again, a lot of these big billionaires accumulating in the zone, leading to people to think like maybe we can be like already have bottomed out. Maybe 78 was the bottom and maybe we could start making a recovery here, but we have to be just a little bit careful. Let's pull up some of these more micro charts. And then again, we're going to get into XRP, guys. We just got to check the whole market. So you guys could see Bitcoin looking very volatile on today, right? Coming in at a 83.9. Let's pull up these Keltner channels and see some of our zones, right? You can see we had a rejection off of the 1 day here, but our 1 week still looking pretty decent, right? We're still flowing pretty nicely in these Keltner channels. So in my opinion, we have not broken down too much. We did talk about the fact that if we do break down off of this zone, though, we could possibly see a retest of maybe like 68 even. You know, it's going to take away a lot of confidence in the market because we made some good price action as of recently, but we do not, again, want to start breaking down on Bitcoin. So definitely curious to see what's going to happen here. If we're going to create some kind of a wedge and start breaking up, you could see we've rejected a couple of times already now. Also, we created this rising wedge too. We mentioned that the other day. And, you know, when you close the market like this and then go into the weekend like this, sometimes it's just expected to see some sell off. But I don't know that we're going to see some big capitulation. Maybe we will. I mean, well, today is Friday, so maybe we will. The market's not closed yet, actually. Forgot today was Friday. So today's Friday. The market closes today. So we'll see how things go. Bitcoin looking mighty volatile going into the weekend. You know, we need a good strong close. And right now, things is not looking super duper hot right now. It's looking like we might, again, that rising wedge might be breaking down. So I would assume, again, the market's starting to see some sell off, as you guys could see. Not too much, though, because, again, we're undecided, right? A lot of these coins, very few and far in between when it comes to the gains. But I like the way the XRP is actually performing. So I figured this coin deserves a video, man. I mean, look at this thing. It is performing super nice. In the past month, even only down 10%, right? There's a lot of coins have been absolutely getting smacked. In the past year, XRP has been performing super nice, up 277%. And if you had been dollar cost and averaging into XRP this entire time, you wouldn't really be tripping, right? You would have been buying these dips and it would have just been another dip. And again, maybe it dips more, right? The fact that it didn't dip down below $2 is pretty solid to me. Again, we do have this giant cup and handle also playing out on XRP. It was looking super bullish, right? And now it's creating too a giant bull flag right here. So there's a lot of bullish things that are holding XRP above that $2 range. But Bitcoin is a concern, right? Because Bitcoin could drop down and that's a little concerning because XRP's 1 year chart looking like, again, we're creating higher lows here and we don't want to break down again too much, get too close to that $2 range, because if we break below that $2 range, we can see some sell off. We see how fast it kind of broke this neckline last time and dropped down all the way to like 170 or something, or like 180 and then got eaten up super quick. But still, we're sitting at 138, right? 139 right now. And it could be volatile going into this weekend. So just be prepared for that. If we do see something like that, we've been, again, seeing a lot of bullish news coming out of XRP with the ETFs and with the reserves and all these bullish things, right? Integration into Japanese banks and all kinds of stuff. In my opinion, it's just a matter of time until we see even more and more countries and even more banks, institutions, billionaires getting involved in XRP. We're already seeing it happen And still, guys, very few people in the world holding cryptocurrency. Our entire market cap is only sitting at 2.75 trillion right now. This is smaller than a stock of Apple. And how many people own stock in Apple? Like, not many people. Not many people invest money, right? The markets are going to be volatile. So just understand that, especially when like the world markets and stuff are volatile, Bitcoin's going to be extremely volatile because it's smaller than a stock. So, you know, that's why I always say, you know, don't invest money you can't afford to lose in cryptocurrency, because if you're betting your rent money into things and you're waiting for things like that, it's not going to be good for you. But for people that have just been like dollar cost averaging and like looking for zones of accumulation, like Michael Saylor right here, they have like won over time. And so that's what I do. I look for zones of accumulation. I don't think it's a crazy zone to be buying right here at 84, because there is like some FOMO that there's going to be like an altcoin cycle that's going to happen super soon. But also I would maybe like, also, if I had a certain amount that I want to do, maybe I'd do like half now and then half later on if it does decide it wants to retest that 68K range, because again, we are in a downtrend still, and the trend is your friend when you're swing trading. And so there's going to be a lot of shorts coming in until we start creating some volume here. So yeah, I want to know what you guys think. Are you bullish on Bitcoin? Are you bullish on XRP? Do you guys think that Bitcoin needs to see a little bit more correction? XRP needs to see some correction. Also, do you think that XRP is going to flip Ethereum? Because Ethereum has been lacking in volume, guys, and I've been a little bit concerned about Ethereum, but also not too concerned. I just feel like, again, our markets are being manipulated, and honestly, I feel like Ethereum is going to drop down to like 11 to 1200, and then I feel like it's going to absolutely rocket. But again, maybe it's already at its bottom. But look, bear flag after bear flag. I mean, there's a chance that this is another bear flag, and it's just looking like, even on the 1 year, it's creating a bear flag, right? So again, it doesn't have much support here, and that's what I've really been talking about ever since it started breaking down off of this, right? It was creating a cup and handle. It was looking halfway decent, but it just started lacking volume and breaking down. And this was really during the time period where Solana was really outperforming Ethereum like crazy. Ethereum has not performed well at all this year. So again, down 42% this year, and XRP up like 277% on the year. So, I mean, shoot, who knows if we do have this bull cycle coming up in Q4, which I think is probably going to be more along the lines. I think we need like 4 or 5 months. I've been saying that now for a couple weeks now. So if that happens, then again, maybe XRP will flip Ethereum, because XRP has already been doing really well on the year. So we'll see. I don't know. That's just speculation, guys. Again, it's just speculation. I'm not a fortune teller. I don't know what's going to happen. It's just what I think can possibly play out, possibly. But I could be wrong. Again, not a professional. So always do your own research. And yeah, if you're not already subscribed, hit the subscribe button, the bell notification. I do my best each and every day, giving you guys topics in cryptocurrency. We're trying to hit 100K, guys, and we can't do it without you. Catch you next video. Peace.